Hello everyone, we are now in Macau and this is what the city area of Macau looks like. It is a police car on our right. Let's go for a short tour and a walk around the city area here. Lots of different shops, and after that we are going to head to the Parisian hotel where there's the clone of Eiffel Tower here in Macau. Here in front of us is a dessert shop. Lots of different desserts. If you love desserts. We are now searching for a public transport, the MTR, the light rail, but it's not easy to find here in Macau. 在不一样 area 看看。咩？在中间。對。年餅蛋幾點買？有送㗎。黐啊！呢嚿78蚊一個。好。係睇咪先。我要幾份？啊？你家在哪裡？ Police in front of us. Here's the police navigating the area just to make sure everyone is safe. Bennett. 豬肉嘅不算多。你点下是吃得饱了？一个一个吃到饱去了。双就到了。那是庙啊。Some of the souvenirs here, some fruits. Some of the store here selling fresh food, hot. It's a shop that sells Snoopy merchandise. Actually, come. 没有车好拍照。 This is a automatic garbage bin, so you can just throw your stuff in and automatically opens and closes.
对嘛，走这边哈。你加錢喎。
We are now searching for the bus or some taxi, so still searching. Not sure where is that. Just randomly walking around to check if there's any bus station or bus stop or what nearby. Okay, after a lot of walking, we finally got into this bus. Not sure where this bus is heading to, but just randomly sitting in the bus. Going on a tour around Macau city, tall apartment buildings here. It has been almost an hour, so we've been just moving around the whole city, so the sky is getting a bit dark. I'm not sure where are we heading, but one of the place I know is to this hotel, so my plan is that later we'll take this taxi and ask the taxi to drive us to the Parisian hotel. The cityscapes of Macau. So it's a beautiful city, quite modern, a lot of construction still going on. After getting off the bus, now we're here in the taxi, and this taxi is driving us to the Parisian hotel, and he's driving like a Formula 1 driver, and then in a while we will see this sports car. We have a sports car. I'm not sure what model is this. In front of us is driving quite fast. The car I'm sitting in is a taxi. It's a Vios, so it's driving quite fast too. We the Parisian Hotel Macau. In the middle here is the pop mart display. The first thing when I walk in here is it's amazing. Outside of this hotel is where the clone of the Eiffel Tower is located. It's Vegas here in Asia. This is what it feels like. It feels quite grand as you walk around here. There is also the casino, and that's the model of the Eiffel Tower, which is located just outside of this hotel. This is to the toilet area too, reception, and so on.跟着树一起排，一、二、三、二、OK，进了。
啊？
Let's go outside, have a look. Wow, this is so amazing. If you look at it here, it's quite
玩
grand.
多那个 Pinot Jelly 淋，
进不去，你喂啊？
这家就可以拍得到。
This vlog will end very soon. We will be checking out the clone of Eiffel Tower in the next video. Do subscribe and thank you very much for watching.
很长哦。
对，等下要走的时候就那个。哦，在这边。 所以你没有什么感受？你还在 Europe 啊？
嗯，它真好像比这个更大，这是它的
哦，
蛮酷的。